Number 5. Real-life Superman. This guy by no means resembles Clark Kent with his trademark glasses, nor does he don a Superman cape, but he does share something with this famous fiction hero. Filmed in Hong Kong, a man takes a video of a woman having a photo shoot when suddenly a hooded young man comes into view. At first, there doesn't seem to be anything unusual, but the next moment he seems to be trying to gain control of a pulsing bright blue glow emanating from his palms. He continues walking until looking up and realizing he's being filmed. He takes off running and the cameraman follows, only to lose him mysteriously as he appears to disappear in front of a moving bus. Number 4. Thai girl with mind control. Unbeknownst to her, a young woman who gets involved in a very public altercation with two men uses her powers to defend herself. The argument escalates when the woman puts her arms out in a shoving motion which throws the two men up the side of a bus. Everyone moves away from her, and even she seems very scared and confused. She uses the same shoving gesture when she turns around and a table turns over, causing items to pour over onto the street. She seems totally unnerved by her own abilities and even collapses in a fit of screaming at the end of the video when even her friend moves away from her in fear of this power. Number 3. Figure with super speed. The black and white film, presumably from a security camera, shows a clear image of a man with groceries walking to his car in a parking garage. Just as he reaches it, a blur of bright light passes by so quickly you cannot make out what it is. The man, startled, stands back and looks around to see every car alarm in the area has gone off. Number 2. Hooded figure in a grocery store. In this next video, a hooded figure is seen using his powers in a grocery store. In the first footage, she is shown helping a person get something from the top shelf. But just as the woman reaches for something, her back suddenly glows and she uses some kind of telekinesis power to do it. In the next footage, a little girl was nearly hit by a moving grocery cart, but the hooded figure suddenly uses her telekinesis ability to control the direction of the cart just by using a shoving gesture with her hand. Number 1. Teleporter in India. The black and white video, filmed by a traffic camera, shows a giant truck moving into an intersection at high speed. At that exact moment, a man on a rickshaw also enters the space. It appears as if the rickshaw will be hit just as a mysterious blurred figure zooms into view, and the rickshaw and man seem to disappear with it. The truck's driver comes to a stop and exits his truck, confused over what just happened. The corner of the screen shows the hooded dark figure beside the unharmed man and rickshaw before he or she walks away from the area.